How to find PSN Wallet Balance on PS5. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can find PSN Wallet Balance on PS5. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to PlayStation Store. After you head over there, you want to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Once you have been signed in, by default, latest is going to be selected. What you want to do is tap all the way along and get to the three dots, which is the more option. Now, once you select that, you're going to find your profile over there. Right below your profile, you're going to have different options such as payment methods, redeem code, subscriptions, transaction history, purchase settings. You want to click on the first option, which is payment methods. Once you select the payment method option, your wallet balance is going to be displayed at the top of your screen. You can also add your payment method from here if you want. You can also add funds if you want, so you can select any of those options if you have not already added any payment methods. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.